Hi everyone, I'm Michele from Missoun. In this short video I show you how to create a new item in the Missoun PLM platform. We enter the application with an engineer role. The application shows us the list of items that are already configured in the system. This simple scenario shows items configured by a bicycle manufacturer. How can we create a new item? By clicking on the new button, the modal window shows the fields that we need to configure. The first field is the category. We have defined several categories. It is necessary to choose which of these categories the new item should belong to. An important note is that it is not necessary to configure different categories to manage items in the application, but certainly organizing items into categories helps a lot to structure and search the information within the application. In this specific case, we choose the part category that we have created to group generic components. As you can see, the application automatically generates the part number. In fact, it is possible within the application to define an algorithm for generating part numbers for each category. So if we had chosen another category, the part number would have been generated in a different way. Why is this topic interesting? Because by using the categories and the automatic generation of part numbers, it is possible to keep the items ordered with a code structure that is recognizable by the users. Let's move on to the next field now. The next field is the revision. In this case, we define revision A for this item. The name field is a free text field. In this case, we can reuse the part number already generated by the application. For the unit of measure, the application, as we can see, suggests the units of measure that have been configured and associated with this category. In this case, we choose the unit of measure each. The next field is the lifecycle phase. Also in this case, the application suggests the list of life cycles that we have configured for this category. We have the prototype life cycle and the production life cycle. We choose the prototype life cycle. The description and notes fields are open text fields available to the user. We can just type in the text that we like. By clicking on Save, the item is created. At this point, filtering on the parts category, the application shows the filtered items belonging to this category. We can immediately find the item that we have just created, and we can view the details of the item. Thanks for your attention. If you are interested in the automatic creation of items, you can consult our video on how to import items from Excel files. See you soon and have a good day.